You are like a garden. Who you are is what you grow. Started with a seed then carefully nurture it year after year. Watch it slowly changing with the seasons. Braving through the drought and cold. It all happens with the reason. Cause one day your buds turn to blossoms and they all say, wow, look at her now. Can't even walk outside without the sweetness of her scent around. Can't stop her now, planting her roots deep in the ground. Like magnolias in the spring, I open up my petals to the sky, soaking in the watercolors I bloom. And even if it takes some time, well, flowers never rush to grow divine. Patiently in watercolors they bloom, they bloom. Every other garden you come across along the way will look a little different. Remember that every flower grows in her own way. And just because a snowdrop blossoms in the winter, it doesn't mean an orchid won't rise from the ground. And then everybody will say, wow, look at her now. Can't even walk outside without the sweetness of her scent around. Can't stop her now, planted her roots deep in the ground. Like magnolias in the spring, I open up my petals to the sky, soaking in the watercolors I bloom. And even if it takes some time, well, flowers never rush to grow divine. Patiently in watercolors they bloom. Grow your garden, baby. Grow it slow and grow it right. Grow your garden, baby. Bloom, just bloom. Water your garden, baby. Water it, cover it in light. Water your garden, baby. Bloom, just bloom. Grow your garden, baby. Grow it slow and grow it right. Grow your garden, baby. Bloom, just bloom. Water your garden, baby. Water it, cover it in light. Water your garden, baby. Bloom, just bloom.
I found somebody, I say you don't cross my mind. And she doesn't know that your favorite place is still mine. Now I take the long way home, avoid what I can't let go. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn, back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. That's when I do. I guess the truth is I can't leave memories behind. When she asks about you, I hesitate every time. Every time. I don't always think about you, but sometimes I do. 'Cause sometimes I drive through all of the streets we used to on First Avenue. 'Cause sometimes I don't even know where I'm going at first. All of the turns that I had to unlearn. Back to the surface, the feeling of all that we were. I don't always think about you till First Avenue. That's when I do. I don't always think about